Hi, this is Kyle from KD Designs out of Rhode Island. Today we're going to show you how to set manual transmission reservation mode with a Compustar remote starter. This is a 2018 Subaru WRX with a manual transmission. It's very easy to do. When you get to your home or your workplace, your car is going to be running. Make sure the car is in neutral with your foot on the foot brake. Engage the emergency brake. You'll hear a click. Take the key out. Notice the car is still running. Exit the vehicle. And all you simply have to do is hit the lock button. Give it about 5 seconds, the car will shut off. Now, as long as you don't forget anything in the vehicle, if you have to get in, open a door, you have to repeat that process. Now, all you have to do to remote start it, push and hold the remote start button. Give it about 10 seconds. And that's it. It's that easy. Manual transmission, remote starters are safe. We do install them. Give us a call today. 508-233-8182. Thank you.